Hey guys, what's up? If you want to know how I got this cute little butterfly glam, keep on watching. So today I want to do a photo shoot, and I've seen a couple girls on Instagram do makeup with like butterflies on their body and in their hair, and I was like, that's pretty cool. Imagine how cool that would look on a hijab. So that's what we're doing today. I've already done my brows. I did them very fluffy with the soap brow. I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm taking the Tatcha silk canvas. Then I'm going to be taking the Revolution Skincare London Essential Spray. I've mixed the Nars Sheer Glow with the MAC Face and Body Foundation. I hope I don't get it on my hijab because this is the hijab I'll be wearing. Hint, hint, the colour. But this is not the top or the cap I'll be wearing because it's too dark. I don't want it to be, you know. I'm taking the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So under the eyes and like following it out like that. In my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead. So dab into the excess product on my mixing plate, and then I'm gonna blend everything out. Look at that. Now I'm just going to be taking the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, Cinnamon. I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques brush, 402. I love this brush. I'm going to be fluffing it on the back of my hand just to build up that product and spread it evenly within the brush. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to bounce that over the contour just to blend out any harsh lines. I'm taking the Nars Liquid Blush in Orgasm. This is like my favorite. This is worth the money. So first I dab it onto the areas that I want and then I blend. Really make the look so much cuter. Fenty Beauty Loose Powder in shade Banana, and I sort of take it in a triangle, so I go underneath my eyes, side of my nose, in that little crevice there, and then like just on my cheekbone, and I bring that all the way up. My Benefit Hoola bronzer. Yay! I sat on my mirror. She got So I've already prepped my eyes with the Plouise Base Pro. This is the shade Rumor 02. Taking the Neon Huda Beauty palette, and this is the pink one, purpley lilac shades, and it's like the exact. We've got our beautiful Huda Beauty palette. Be fading this onto the cheek. So I took the purple first and then I went in with on the front of the cheek. I didn't want it to be too harsh, so I took this like peachy pink and this hot pink. I put that on the cheek, and on my temples I have that there as well. When I think of these three colours together and when I see them on my face, I just think of fairies. So on this side, I applied a little bit of the bottom shimmer shade. Pinky, and put that on my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, or Setting Mist. I'm going to be applying some mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll see you when I'm back. I'm wearing the Psy Beauty lashes in the style Boss. I love these lashes. I just ordered 10 pairs. Massive makeup haul coming soon. I applied the Morphe lip liner in Beige. It's the Stilla Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mecca. I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. So I've got all these butterflies. So we're gonna go take photos now. This is the final look. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty and the butterflies just make the whole look come alive. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and comment what videos you want to see more of. Follow my Instagram, it's @HanaBellaBeauty to see the final product. Bye guys.